Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Payoneer transfer delayed issue. First, check the transfer status inside your Payoneer account. If it shows pending, it may be still processing. Bank transfers usually take a few business days. Then remember that weekdays and public holidays can cause delays. Also, check if your bank is holding the payment for review. You can contact your bank to confirm. Then make sure your bank details are correct in your Payoneer account. Incorrect information can delay the transfer. If the delay is longer than normal processing time, contact Payoneer support and provide your transaction details for investigation. That's how to fix your Payoneer transfer delayed issue. Subscribe for more